Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. We're back at the 1967 Dodge Charger. In an earlier video we shared with you what the dual exhaust system looked like when it was up on the hoist from underneath. And we had mentioned that we have this special extreme high heat coating. It's a ceramic coat and there's different colors that they come in. So it's basically 3 colors. So what we've done, I'll just kind of shine the light on in here. So you can see that's with the upgraded exhaust manifold. So what we've done is it was really rusty, so we sandblasted or media blasted in our cabinet blaster, and then after it was done we applied this ceramic extreme heat resistant, and it's rated for up to 2,000 degrees. So this is the titanium color, which I think looks quite nice. You can see the vehicle looks very much stock. And if we come to the other side, or to this passenger side, same idea. So you can see quite a nice color. There's a silver which is quite bright, and there's also a satin black. But this to me looks very, very similar to a natural cast iron kind of look. So being rated for 2,000 degrees, it has ceramic in it. It's something that we have in stock and we do, so it's a nice complement to our exhaust bender when we're doing complete exhaust systems. So we'd like to take these manifolds or headers and media blast them, treat them, and then add this extreme coating, because over time you're not going to get discoloration or any burning off. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.